Do you ever feel like your hectic life leaves little room for the peaceful retreat you crave at home? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me, you love the idea of coming home to a quiet, green oasis. But with all the demands of your busy schedule, caring for plants feels like just another chore on the list. What if I told you that there are perfect plants out there for us busy folks? Plants that ask for little but give back so much more, enhancing our home and mood with their effortless charm. Today, I'm excited to share the top 5 low-maintenance indoor plants that aren't just beautiful, they're practically self-sufficient. These are the heroes of the plant world that thrive on your time away and minimal attention, making them perfect for your bustling lifestyle. So, if you've ever felt too overwhelmed to commit to plant care, stick with me. These resilient greens are about to make your life a little easier and a lot more serene. Ready to meet them? Let's dive in and find your new plant companion that understands just how precious your time is. Now, let's dive deeper into our first plant, the ever-resilient snake plant, also known scientifically as Sansevieria. You've probably heard of this one before, but did you know about its fascinating characteristics? Snake plants, or Dracæna trifasciata, belong to the Asparagiaceae family, earning them the endearing nickname mother-in-law's tongues due to their sharp, tongue-like leaves that humorously resemble, well, our mother-in-law's sharp wit. But beyond their amusing moniker, snake plants boast a plethora of benefits that make them an invaluable addition to any home. Firstly, they're nature's nighttime cleaners, quietly absorbing CO2 while we sleep, which not only improves air quality but also promotes a restful night's sleep and supports mental well-being. Furthermore, these green heroes excel at purifying the air we breathe, effortlessly removing harmful chemicals like benzene, commonly found in glues, paints, and other household products. They thrive in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil and only need a drink when the soil is dry to the touch. Plus, they're quite forgiving when it comes to light, happily basking in moderate sunlight. So whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your green journey, snake plants offer beauty, benefits, and ease of care in one stylish package. Stay tuned as we explore more captivating low-maintenance indoor plants. Next up, we'll uncover the secrets of the enchanting ZZ plant. Now, let's shed some light on the ZZ plant, also known as the Zuzu plant. This resilient species, belonging to the Araceae family and native to Africa, is a godsend for those seeking greenery in low-light environments. Not only does the ZZ plant thrive in dimmer settings, but it also offers a stunning array of flowers in shades of yellow, green, and white, adding a pop of color to any space. If you're a plant lover with a busy schedule, the ZZ plant is your best bet. It's a breeze to care for, purifies the air, and according to Feng Shui, it's said to attract wealth and promote growth. To keep your ZZ plant happy, ensure it's potted in soil containing perlite and pumice, and water it every 2 to 3 weeks. And don't worry about finding the perfect spot. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light. While it may not be pet-friendly, its moderate to slow growth rate means you won't have to worry about it outgrowing its space anytime soon. Next up, we have the charming spider plant. True to its name, this low-maintenance beauty, belonging to the Asparagiaceae family, sports long, arching leaves that resemble spider legs. But don't let its appearance scare you away. Spider plants are incredibly forgiving and adapt to various conditions, making them a favorite among beginner and seasoned plant enthusiasts alike. Not only do spider plants help purify the air by absorbing xylene, benzene, and other harmful pollutants, but they're also believed to bring fortune and prosperity, according to Feng Shui. Maintaining a spider plant is a breeze. Simply water it once a week, place it in bright indirect light, and watch it thrive. Plus, it's pet-friendly, so you can enjoy its beauty worry-free. And finally, who could forget the ever-versatile Aloe Vera? Aloe Vera, belonging to the genus Aloe, is a household staple thanks to its myriad of uses. From soothing skin lotions to dental hygiene products, this low-maintenance plant is a true multitasker. Not only does aloe vera heal wounds and reduce dental plaque, but it's also FDA approved as a food flavoring, adding a touch of versatility to your indoor garden. For optimal growth, Ensure your aloe vera is planted in well-draining, loamy, sandy soil and water it when the soil gets dry. And don't forget to give it some bright, indirect sunlight to keep it thriving. While aloe vera may not be pet-friendly, its moderate growth rate ensures it won't outgrow its space too quickly, allowing you to enjoy its benefits for years to come. The legendary money plant, also known scientifically as Epipremnum aureum. Have you ever wondered why it's called a money plant? Well, it turns out there might be some truth to the name. According to Feng Shui, money plants are believed to bring prosperity, wealth, and an abundance of positive energy into our homes, making them a must-have for any aspiring plant parent. These rapid-growing plants, native to Moria and belonging to the Araceae family, are commonly referred to as devil's vines. But don't let the name fool you, this is one plant you'll want to welcome into your home with open arms. Money plants boast a myriad of benefits beyond their auspicious name. Not only do they purify the air we breathe, but they also have the remarkable ability to reduce sleep disorders and infuse our spaces with positive energy. Caring for a money plant is a breeze. They thrive in fertile, loamy soil and require minimal water, making them perfect for busy plant enthusiasts. And here's the best part, they're pet-friendly too, so you can enjoy their benefits without worrying about your furry companions. So, whether you're looking to attract wealth and prosperity or simply breathe easier in your space, the money plant has got you covered. And there you have it, the top 5 low-maintenance indoor plants that are perfect for anyone who loves the idea of enhancing their home with greenery, but can't find the time for high-maintenance care. These plants aren't just easy to take care of. They bring a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively, to your living spaces. Remember, incorporating plants into your home is about more than just decor. It's about creating a healthier, more peaceful environment where you can relax and recharge, no matter how busy life gets. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect plant companions that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. If you have any questions or if there's a particular plant you'd like to know more about, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help with any plant-related queries you might have. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. We have lots more plant care tips and tricks coming your way. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels to stay updated with all our latest content. Let's bring more green into our lives together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.